so that's going to be our green smoothie. That one, we have regulars that come in and grab that every day.
This is really good.
Hey y'all, it's Regina, your host of Eat Drink Local Texas, and today I'm here in Encino Park at an acai cafe serving up delicious juices, smoothies, and bowls. We're here at Bahia Bowls. Let's go ahead and check them out. Hey guys, so today I am here with the assistant manager, Justice Wilson. Justice, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you for being here.
So I have a couple of questions for you. What inspired the owners to open up the Acai Cafe?
Well, our owners, Craig and April, they wanted to open something that would be healthy but quick and easy to get. And as you can see on our menu, we have a variety of options. We have toasts and smoothies and different bowls. And we also have things that change up depending on the season.
Well, that's amazing. And what makes your Acai Cafe different from the ones that we have here in San Antonio?
Well, in my opinion, what makes us different is that we make sure what you see is what you get. And we don't add any sugars to anything we make, and we make everything here in-house.
Well, I love that. What do you think are your fan favorite items that everyone's always getting?
Our fan favorites would have to be the Açaí and the Papaya bowls. Following that would be the green bowl, which is really good too. You should try. And also our smoothies, the dragon fruit smoothie, the nut case, tropical delight, and not to forget our toasts. Our toasts are very good. When we have different options depending on if you have a sweet tooth or if you want to just stay healthy and go with avocado toast.
Well, y'all have a bunch of options, and I'm super, super excited to try all these amazing things. So I think we should go ahead and start trying them out. Hey guys, so today I am here with Noelle and Justice, and look at this amazing spread of food that they have for me. I'm super excited to try everything out, and I think I'm going to be starting off with their bowls. So Noelle, can you tell me a little bit about what I'm going to be trying out today?
Yeah, so that's our Acai Bowl. It's made with a blend of our acai, strawberry, and banana, and it's topped with our fresh bananas, strawberries, and blueberries.
Guys, what I love about these bowls is that the bases are made with just fruit. That's it. They don't add any sugars, they don't add anything else, so it really is super healthy. It's a great option for the morning, and I love acai. I love it so much, and I love how they paired it with the strawberries, the blueberries, the bananas, and did you say honey or did you say agave?
So we actually have both options. We have honey and agave, and you can actually add coconut on top.
That's amazing. So yeah, I really, really love this bowl, and I'm excited to move on to the next one, which is a
Papaya bowl. So that's made with our papaya blend. It's dragon fruit, pineapple, and mango. And it also comes with our vegan and gluten-free granola, and it's topped with our coconut and honey.
Well, I love that bowl because it's a little bit more tangy. It's really tropical, which I love. But yeah, guys, they have these two bowls, and they also have another two, which are
our green and our oatmeal bowl.
So yeah, guys, they have 4 amazing options here, and they also have toast, which is what we are going to be moving on to next. So they have savory and sweet options, but I'm going to be starting off with a sweet option. So what is this?
So that right there is our cookie craze toast. It's going to have a spread of cookie butter topped with strawberries and hemp seeds, or chia seeds, sorry.
Guys, that was so delicious. I love cookie butter, and I love that sweet option that they have here. And I love that y'all already have all these toasts planned out, and I think that the cookie butter pairs really, really well with the strawberries. But now we are going to be moving on to a savory option, which is
our loaded avocado toast. So that's a spread of avocado with chopped hard-boiled eggs, sliced tomatoes, and everything bagel seasoning with a drizzle of olive oil.
So avocado toasts are a big thing nowadays, and I really, really love that one because it's kind of simple, but it's still really filling, which I love. And y'all have another option for avocado toast, right?
Yes.
So this is your other option, and it is
the kicking avocado toast. So that one is going to be a spread of avocado, chopped red onions, sprinkled bacon bits at the bottom, and we're going to drizzle a little bit of sriracha aioli. That's where the kicking comes from.
Yeah, it's really different, and it tastes really different from your other option. I really like it. It does have a little spicy kick, which I love. And y'all have one more toast, which is
the Funky Monkey. So the Funky Monkey is going to be a spread of peanut butter, sliced bananas, and hemp seeds.
So after trying those 4 amazing toasts, I am super satisfied. They have 4 great options for you, not just the bowls, but they also have another food option. And they pair very well with their rainbow of smoothies that they have for me today. So what is this first smoothie?
That first smoothie is going to be our Berry Blast smoothie. It has mixed berries made with a little bit of apple juice, and you can always add some protein to kind of pack it in.
Oh, that's amazing. It's really, really good and refreshing. I love that. I feel like this would pair really, really well with your toast. And this next smoothie is?
That is going to be our Tropical Delight. That is a blend of pineapple, mango, and some orange juice.
Yeah, that's really good. All these, I mean, the 2 that I've tried are really refreshing, which I love. And this next one is?
It's our Açaí smoothie. And again, definitely add one of our proteins that we have. We have the hemp, we have whey, and we have pea protein.
Yeah, and I feel like that these look the same, but they taste super, super different because this tastes just like the bowl wrapped into a smoothie, and this one tastes like a berry.
It's a good option if you're like on your way out or need to run errands or something.
Yeah, because it's more practical than sitting down for the bowl. So yeah, I really like that. And then this one of their most healthy options that they have.
Yeah, so that's going to be our green smoothie. That one, we have regulars that come in and grab that every day.
It's really good. And what's in here?
So that's going to be, again, like the tropical, it has the pineapple and mango, but then we also add kale and spinach.
That's really, really good. And it doesn't taste like...
super healthy.
Yeah, it tastes really, really good, light, refreshing. I mean, I would come in and order that one. And the last one that they have here is?
That's our strawberry bonanza, something, you know, for the kids when they come in a little bit pickier in palate.
Yeah, so they have something here for everyone. Depending on what you are looking for in a smoothie, they have something that is sure to satisfy your appetite. And last but not least, one of the options that they have here are their protein bites. They have 5 different flavors, so can you tell me a little bit more about them?
Yeah, so all of our protein bites are packed with about 3 to 4 grams of protein. They all start with a base of oats, and as you can see, that one, our banana bread, kind of has more of that cookie butter that our cookie craze has. We actually have a mocha that is infused with coffee grounds and our cold brew that we serve here. So it's a little bit of everything.
Yeah, those are really, really good. And I love that y'all add the cinnamon because you can really, really taste it. And is there honey or agave in there?
Yeah, so there's going to be honey in there.
Yeah, I can really taste it when I was taking a bite out of it. So they have the 5 different flavors. They have the bowls. They have toast. They have smoothies. They have everything. Is there anything else that we haven't tasted?
So we do have our Nitro Coffee and our cold brew coffee on tap. And we also have a kombucha, 2 flavors that are on tap and a couple of other that are in the cooler fridge.
Okay guys, well as you can see, they have an extensive menu of a bunch of different healthy options that you can come in and try. If you're looking for something quick, healthy, and delicious, make sure y'all come on in. But do y'all have anything else y'all want to say to our followers?
Yeah, so we actually have a promotion going on right now, and it's 50% off smoothies from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
And can they order through any like delivery services?
Yeah, definitely. So we have online ordering at bahiabowls.com. We also deliver through Postmates, Grubhub, DoorDash.
Well, make sure to follow them on Instagram and Facebook. They are located off Bulverde Road right here in Encino Park. And make sure when you come on in to let them know that Eat Drink Local Texas sent y'all. Bye, guys!
I don't know. I haven't done this in a while. Let's just do it again.
You want to try it from the top?
Yeah. You can come on in, sir.
We're just like holding it up.
Come on in.
Hey guys, I'm super excited because look at this amazing spread Sorry. Hey guys, so today I'm here with Noelle and sorry.
And it's topped with our fresh bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. Pineapple and mango.
Hold on. Okay. Forward. Okay, guys. Well, wait. Okay. Hold on. Let me put it down again.
And fruit, mango, and pineapple blend.
Because I think it's easier for y'all to edit, is it not?
It looks weirder when you're like this.
Okay,
so
okay.
Just hold it if you're gonna chew. I'm sorry.
This happens every time. Okay.